Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm doing some work on the Bentley. Been a bit since we've done anything on this, but I've got some leather dye to dye the seats, because they're not bad, but they're a bit cracked. So let's flip you around and show you what we're going to be doing and what we've bought and where we bought it from. So as you can see, we've got some cracking, and we've got some down here. For the age of the car, it's not bad at all. Because it is a 1989, so it is getting on. Now I cleaned these seats the other day, just getting my scrub down with a thing, whatever it's called, sponge. Does need hoovering. There's some tools in there from stuff I've been fixing, but we have been dailying this. Expensive on fuel, but we have been dailying it. But anyway, these are what I bought. This was the first one I bought, is it? Yes, Bentley Magnolia, wrong colour. Unfortunately, $16.99. This is the right colour for this car, corn silk. So we're gonna redo this seat, and we're gonna see what it looks like when we've finished. I'm gonna do it using the sponge. Just tip some on there. Don't want to knock it over. And then, as you can see, just work it in. Now this is all in one stuff, so it's supposed to like recolour and fill, which you can see it does. It might need a couple of coats, but you can see just from that section it's looking good. I had this off eBay. I'll put a link in the description to the company because they do all sorts of colours. I'm not sure if they do a colour match option. They might do, where you can send off a little bit of your interior material and they can match the colour. But it's on eBay, so I'll put a link in the description. You can see what they do. But I'm going to continue on with that, and we'll see if it comes out. So there's the first coat. Starting to look good, covering all the scratches there. It looks better on the camera than it does because it's a bit patchy at the moment. So it is going to, you can sort of see that area there. Look, a bit up there. It will look better after another coat. Got my brush there. It started raining, so I'm gonna do this since I've got a bit of paint on it. Get this water off it and redo that bit as well. Right then, it's a little bit dark now, but the lights will come in the car. I've done 3 coats on that. It's now dry. And you can see it's all fixed. All the cracks have gone. And in the passenger seat. So, it's done a good job. All in one colourant. If you do want to do your interior, have a look for some of that. 16 quid, I think it's pretty good value for money. You don't have to mix it yourself, it's ready to rock and roll. It goes straight on and it finishes well. So another job done on the Bentley. The next thing to do is, we've got some bubbling down here. Sorry about it being dark, but we've got some bubbling on the wing I'm going to do. See you next.